I lost 10 pounds in 3 days. Water fasting results and tips. Workout haul. Losing 10 pounds in 3 days through water fasting is extreme and potentially unhealthy. Rapid weight loss is often water weight, and it's crucial to approach it with caution. Here are some insights. Water fasting risks. Extreme fasting can lead to dehydration, nutrient deficiencies, and other health issues. Consult a healthcare professional before attempting such drastic measures. Temporary results. Rapid weight loss is often temporary, and most of it is water weight. Sustainable changes in diet and exercise are more effective for long-term results. Nutrient-rich diet. Focus on a balanced, nutrient-dense diet for sustainable weight loss. Include whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Regular exercise. Combine a healthy diet with regular exercise. It helps burn calories, build muscle, and improves overall well-being. Consult a professional. Seek guidance from a healthcare provider.